In this video, we will show you how to replace your tail lamp assembly on this Ford F-150. You'll have one of these attached to each side of the rear of your vehicle. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. With the tailgate open, we're going to make our way along the side of the vehicle that you're planning on replacing your tail lamp assembly. If you have a tailgate dampener, you're going to want to dislodge that because it is covering one of the mounting bolts. Typically for these, you're going to find that you have a small clip right along the ball end. We'll gently make our way in between that metal clip and the metal portion of the damper itself and gently start prying it out and away. As you pull that away, you should be able to remove the damper from its mounting stud as well. There we are. Just a quick inspection inside this area. If it looks like it's rusted, you could use a little bit of penetrant and let that sit and do its job while you continue on. Now we can remove our two pieces of 8mm mounting hardware. You have one down here and one just above it. A quick inspection of the hardware as we continue to replace as necessary. Now you may find that this is a little bit difficult to tug because there is two locking prongs on the outboard forward side. If you need to, you can use a plastic trim tool. Let's go ahead and give that a little tug to dislodge it. Now we can see those wiring harnesses along the backside. Now that we have that pulled away from the vehicle, let's have a look along the backside. You're going to find that you have electrical connectors leading to the back of the tail lamp assembly. Each one of these will have a locking tab. You want to try to squeeze that in and disconnect each one of these. A quick inspection for corrosion, and we'll set the wiring harnesses aside as we continue on. There it is, friend. Before we install our brand new tail lamp assembly, let's just have a quick look at the body of the vehicle. What we're really looking for is the two mounting points. There's one right up here, and there's another one located just below it. For each one of these, it's helpful to apply a thin amount of lubricant in these areas to help your brand new tail lamp slide into place. Just going to use some silicone paste. Okay, let's start installing that brand new tail lamp assembly, starting with the wiring harnesses. The green wiring harness leads down to the bottom. That's the reverse lamp. Continuing on just above it, we'll go ahead and connect that one in as well. Now we'll start getting this in position. We need to align the two locking tabs with the corresponding ports that we just lubricated on the body of the vehicle and slide it straight forward. Couple light taps there. Continue on with your two mounting bolts. Start them in, snug them up. Go ahead and tighten that up till it bottoms out. Take hold of the tail lamp assembly, give it a wiggle, ensuring it's properly secured to the vehicle. It's time for the damper. I'll use some silicone paste here, just as a lubricant. Bring this into position, press it in. Go ahead and give it a wiggle, ensuring it's properly secured. It should not pop out of there. Okay friend, we finished the installation of one side of our rear tail lamp assemblies. The process for one side of the vehicle is the exact same thing as the other. After you've completed your service, you want to go ahead and test the functionality. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.